Hello my dear friends, and welcome. Today we're going on a truly unique journey to a land of rich history, vibrant culture, and resilient spirits. We're heading to the Horn of Africa, to a country that often has a complex story in the news, but one that holds incredible beauty and warmth in its everyday life, Somalia. In our busy lives, it's so important to pause, to look beyond headlines, and to discover the simple human moments that connect us all. That's what we'll do today. We'll immerse ourselves in a gentle rhythm, meet some kind people, and discover the quiet joys that make life rich and meaningful, even in challenging environments. Get ready to feel connected, curious, and perhaps inspired by the strength of the human spirit. Our story takes us to the historic coastal city of Berbera, in the Somaliland region of Somalia. Imagine a place where ancient buildings painted in sun-faded blues and whites stand against the backdrop of the turquoise Gulf of Aden. The air here is warm, carrying the distinct scent of salt, dry earth, and distant spices from the bustling port. It's early morning, and the city is just beginning to stir. Meet Safia, a woman in her late 50s, with a strong, dignified presence and eyes that reflect both wisdom and warmth. She wears a brightly colored dirak, a traditional Somali dress, and a shash, headscarf, that perfectly matches. Safia has lived in Berbera her entire life, her family's roots deeply embedded in this trading port. For Safia, the day begins with the call to prayer, the adhan, echoing softly from nearby mosques. She wakes naturally with the first light, stepping onto the small open courtyard of her home. The cool morning breeze off the sea is a welcome relief from the daytime heat. She takes a moment to breathe, to feel the gentle stir of the air, and to offer her morning prayers. This quiet ritual connects her to her faith, and brings a deep sense of peace and purpose to her day. Have you ever experienced a moment of quiet reflection that sets a peaceful tone for your entire day? It's a wonderful practice no matter where you are. Soon, the aroma of strong, sweet Somali tea, chai, begins to waft from her simple kitchen. Somali tea is famous for its rich spices like cardamom, ginger and cinnamon, brewed with milk and sugar. It's a staple in every home, a symbol of hospitality and comfort. Somali tea is usually brewed until it's very strong and dark, then milk and a generous amount of sugar are added. It's an essential part of welcoming guests and daily social life. Safia's granddaughter, Halima, a bright and energetic girl of 12, soon joins her. Halima helps Safia prepare a breakfast, fresh, warm kanjero, a soft, spongy flatbread, similar to Ethiopian injera, served with honey or a rich, creamy sauce. "Good morning, Aiwo," Halima says, using the respectful term for grandmother. "Morning, my little star," Safia replies, a soft smile on her face. "The port will be busy today. We have many visitors arriving." After their sweet tea and warm kanjero, Safia and Halima make their way towards the bustling old port. Berbera has been a vital trading hub for centuries, connecting the Horn of Africa to the Middle East and beyond. The port is a vibrant tapestry of sights and sounds, the calls of vendors, the murmur of conversations in Somali and Arabic, the creak of wooden dhows, traditional sailing boats, docked along the pier, and the lively bleating of sheep and goats being loaded or unloaded. Safia runs a small stall in the market near the port, selling spices, incense, and hand-woven baskets. Halima loves helping her, arranging the colorful spices, and practicing her counting with customers. "Ayoy, look at these beautiful dates," Halima exclaims, pointing to a vendor's stall laden with sticky sweet dates. Safia nods. "Eti. From the harvest, my dear. Sweetness from the desert sun. Even in a bustling environment. Anyes. Finding your place and contributing to the community can bring a deep sense of purpose and connection. The market is a place of lively interaction. People greet each other warmly, sharing news and laughter. There's a strong sense of community here, a collective resilience built on shared experiences and mutual support. Safia exchanges jokes with other vendors, her laughter clear and bright. In any culture, taking the time to greet people, share a smile, or offer a kind word can create a powerful sense of belonging and make daily life more joyful. Halima watches the dhows, fascinated by the men loading and unloading goods. She dreams of traveling on one of these boats someday, seeing the world beyond Berbera. Sophia often tells her stories of brave Somali sailors who navigated the ancient trade routes, using the stars and their deep knowledge of the sea. Somali seafarers were among the first in the world to develop advanced navigational techniques, and played a crucial role in it. Ancient maritime trade routes, connecting Africa, Asia and the Middle East. As the sun climbs higher, the heat intensifies, but a gentle sea breeze often offers relief. Sophia and Halima enjoy a simple lunch of fresh fish and rice, bought from a nearby cook. The taste of the perfectly grilled fish, caught just hours before, is incredibly fresh and delicious. Have you ever visited a bustling market where you could really feel the pulse of local life? What were your favorite sights, sounds, or smells? As the afternoon light mellows, casting long shadows, the pace at the port begins to slow slightly. Sophia and Halima pack up their stall. Before heading home, they often take a short walk along the beach. The sand is soft and warm, and the gentle lapping of the waves against the shore is incredibly soothing. They might see children playing football on the beach, their joyful shouts carried on the wind. Fishermen repair their nets, silhouetted against the setting sun. The sky turns a beautiful mix of orange, pink and purple, reflecting on the calm waters. Back at home as dusk settles, Sophia prepares a light dinner, perhaps beris iskukaris, spiced rice with meat or vegetables. In the evenings after the meal, the family often gathers on the courtyard, enjoying the cooler air and each other's company. Sophia, like many elders in Somali culture, is a wonderful storyteller. She tells Halima and any visiting relatives tales of ancient Somali heroes, fables with moral lessons, and stories of Berbera's past, of famous traders, fierce warriors, and the resilience of their people. Her voice is calm and rhythmic, weaving a tapestry of history and imagination. In cultures around the world, storytelling is a powerful way to pass on knowledge, values, and history from one generation to the next. It strengthens family bonds and community identity. Halima listens intently, her imagination taking flight. These stories are more than just entertainment. They teach her about her heritage, her people's strength, and the values that guide their lives: generosity, hospitality, courage, and faith. Do you have a favorite family story, or a traditional tale from your culture that holds special meaning for you? As the stars begin to dot the vast, clear African sky, Sophia and Halima sit in comfortable silence, listening to the distant sounds of the city preparing for sleep and the gentle whisper of the sea. The everyday life in Berbera, though sometimes challenging, is filled with profound moments of connection, community, and the enduring spirit of its people. As we leave Sophia and Halima under the starlit sky of Berbera, I hope you feel a little of the warmth, resilience, and deep sense of community that shapes life in Somalia. This journey reminds us that every place, no matter its reputation, holds a unique beauty in its daily rhythms and the strength of its people. Their story teaches us that joy can be found in simple rituals: the shared cup of tea, the vibrancy of a bustling market, the quiet comfort of family, and the enduring power of stories. It's about finding light and connection, even when life presents difficulties. True richness in life is found in the deep connections we forge with our community and heritage, in the simple joys of daily rituals, and in the enduring strength and resilience of the human spirit, especially when facing life's currents. Thank you, dear friends, for joining me on this inspiring journey to Somalia. I hope it has offered you a fresh perspective and filled your heart with a sense of wonder. I'd love to hear from you. Please comment below and tell me, what part of Sophia and Halima's day in Berbera touched you the most? What country would you love to learn more about, beyond the headlines, to discover its peaceful everyday life? Don't forget to subscribe for more peaceful and inspiring slice of life stories from around the world. Until next time, be well, stay curious, and find the beauty in every corner of our amazing world.